If you can listen to the hum, loud humming, it's from my AC unit. Let me take you outdoors. Experience this noise. It's actually deafening, not only to the adjacent bedroom but also to the drawing room and other parts of the house. LG has failed to get it corrected. I'm sorry, Lloyd has failed to get it corrected.